Ble Pibaro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi kilong. Penon kami ke jing start berkilayo na Shillong Commerce College ong Dr. Ricky UMP. No sin yang like and hon sya kami it kumon walang. Yo mat chaprang Excellence Award kapinyong wit ki Samla maulai. Bad hakasin beningkong lapelong yang first senior inter-district rule ball tournament Shillong. Badminton pasya ki Khubor bakam banya. Hakasin beningkong ke Shillong Commerce College haka kat kendai terik Risaw kalapelong ya ke graduation day NAKA benta ki Samla pule ke bela pendap ya ke degree haka commerce but art subject jong snem arjar arpwe arjar arpusa. Hakani ke sengi bekerpang jong kini ke college u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon MP ke Lok Sabha ulalong ukongsan haka jingedon lang ke kong Josephine Sibla principal Dr. Sunita Khongwir, Vice Principal, Kong Ayona Kharmau Plang, Vice Principal, Professor Baburam Upadaya, Head of Department Commerce Department, Dr. Lasso Borki Perngap, Head of Department History, kinohikai bat kisamla pule jong kini ke college. Lapin shongshit bat penpo igni ke sengi di jingruai bas ngau tiang ni kisamla pule. Kakong Josephine Sibla, Principal, kalapediang buram yau Dr. Ricky Syakani kelempung, daki kentin kerku kerdo ya kelingkor bakia, baukit na kebenta kajat benriu, bat ke Jylla hibarok kawai. Kalapin itu kinohikai bat kisamla pule, da kebapin kenmau, bau Dr. Ricky udai usamla pule barim jong kani ke college. Kalau ongkat nu ke college ke sengau sarong, ya ke jingkiu irap jeng hakikam syakri paitba hakini kisngi. Haba ajing kren kumukongsan, u Dr. Ricky ulay thu ya kajingya linti jong hakini ke college hakipor bamenchwa. Ulas neng lakraw ya kisamla puli, ban le bha hakajing jongki, bat ban pindon kam ya kajing hikai, baki yo ni kino hikai na kani ke college. Ukongsan ulasam ya kisernot syabarok kisamla ki bala pendep ya kajing puli jongki.
Life in college then. It was a college which is just like a home for me. We had this 4 classrooms then. 1 library, and then a canteen, and then just below the class, the first year class, we had a small room where there was just one TT board, and that is where we spent our time. And it is a college where we almost know each other, and well, with the teachers, the principal, we are just like a college where it's really not like a college. It's just like a big family of people who know each other very well, who have a respect for each other, and until today, the memories that I have of Shillong Commerce College always and still lingers in my mind. Thank you so much, Ms. Josephine. I told Ms. sitting there that she is the only teacher who is present here who taught me. The rest have retired, and of course there are some of them who have left the heavenly abode. I remember some of them very fondly. A college where we just like the teachers, we just like friends. In the classroom, yes, the teacher-student relationship is there, but outside the college we are just like friends. We go out, have momo with this Josephine, and then we go for drive with some of the other teachers. That was life then, and well, nothing stays the same. And here I am, never expected that I would be in your midst, to stand here as chief guest of this momentous day, like I said, to be remembered in the life of this college. And what a joy, what a pleasure, an honor for me to be part of this, this day. Well, I will not speak for long. At the very outset, Ms. Josephine, the principal of the college, with distinguished faculty members of the college, not just from the commerce, but now we have the arts also. At that point of time, there was only the commerce section, the commerce department. I would like to express my deep sense of pride and to extend my heartiest congratulations, especially to the graduates. For each one of you, I'm sure, you have reached this incredible milestone. And today is your day, where we acknowledge, your achievements in today, achievement of the college and all the fraternity of the college. We stand here to witness this.
Like in Horn, Bukanthop, Yaka Southwest Khasi Hills District Athletics Association, SWKDAA, Ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Sports Association, SWKDSA, but ka Executive Committee jong ka Hima Maharam Aimship, ha ka Khat Khandai Tarik Risaw, kilapan kam pisakit bok ya ka may 8 kumoy walang, kaban ya kun ha ka Maret Thong, balapanya de ka Doba Australia, kaban long ha ka Pratarik unay wing mentaw snem. Ha kani kasngi, lapan kam pisakit bokru yo ba bining lingkoy, ubalabatin lenti ya ka may 8 kumoy ban mi perthay, ban peni ba ya ka sap, Khubor, bat ka mon bajuat jongka, ha madan Maret Thong. Kumban shipin kan mau, kami 8 kumoy walang kan salit shimentaru ha ka Maret Thong 13 Pan Pacific Master Game arjar arpusaw Gold Coast Australia kabanlang kapratarik naiwi. Kami 8 kan sa shimenta ha kilay tali kijingya Maret Thong kibakentup ha ka katsan spa meter ar 1000 meter batsan 1000 meter kajingjingay. Ha kajingya lang penkam pisakit bok balingkot ha office usim Hima Maharam mau kerwat lapenya do ba forward man nongrem ha ka balakren kit bok ketwiang do ba elbok wanyang secretary ke SWK DAA ba HS dingdo president ke SWK HDSA ba upaim nyandrus im yong uba bining lingkhoy coach jong ke SWK HDAA ula ay ka jingkren sngongo bat penway ya ka jingela
lakren dai ba forward kalong ba ajit iki na kapan India Master Game Federation bat kani kadai ka bala kadai ka ba lapet nani ka bala koknai su dekat Ministry of Corporate Affairs jong government of India ti ila sajit akan dibat kampala bin siam ba ukus budai player itu kuat untuk kamdon ki game ki ba lokus bat long player tin rain sering mulai kumulai kerpang ba bening ibala in haban ila deru bat i haban nomru askar coach berajet kan ni tingai kumulai people angot kerpang im kemon iba ngan pitu le thu menne ba hak ta kan jing le penbiang ikut selah tip Shillong ni sia kiwe ki jakang am tip ba kadon gejing
te khamtam li mentang langsung thu ba ta ka sport jungi hani hapo mau berwat association jungi la long kawai kat no kemen pengil ni kuat nak kalian suki atletik ni kuat bangnya trailang yang train system bangin penmi kita kuliah batang hau nga ubining bakan kutno tang hai imerit kemen bakan kutno andre kinang mi sisu ki klor ban represent ya kari ya state bat ya khamtam mai gari ka jungi barok kowe kan ya thu ba nga ngasa stang ar pulai second ban poi sia ka olympic ngamla su ban poi andre nga kermen nang ne nadin junga kintang mi kita mining ki ban represent ya gari ki ban poi sia ka olympic kumban suya thu no sepang jung i barok kilai jer kerteng ba imit ila nyu pun rusnam kalong kowe kan uksa ka ba ai men sim yang i kan ka kari ka thang ka jungi barok kowe bat na kan ka district jungi ka babun kilong distance kidai nang ni na ka district jungi barok ka mai khale ka tip barok ka mai khale ka ba kilong distance kadai ka slum bar kadai ka kimi kilong distance kadai na ka southwest kasil district tenga i kajinya trelang ki asion barok bani ai men sim kumne ka long ka kum ka wei ka ying ka bangi tre katno ni snudon men sim mangi ruban nang tre bat nang ile kai ba te kum ba ilai thu khanai mi ba nadu ka bang amar imare ini kumon sete simulin wat kita kibru ki ba sa di giat men suaro menta gila i kita gila mare kalong ke kenuksa ka ba batam na benta jong ka imlang salang ka jongi bat khamtam agung gini ki por ba menta kijing snew ki bala wan hakini ki hangi ki khon samla bat haki wei te kublai shibun kumba piong ba kadai tang kajing ai kabari de andre kata kajing ai kabari kajong pi kalong ka bakrau hangi bangin yok mensim bani kun hadu bakan ingin wara ai kajing job te kublai shibun kumba mentang bat igit ngila ya penkreru ba man kat tayo ngai lam im Shillong balik praktis hapo synthetic drug hapo NEHU ini man siba siningkong bat siba arngi sa Shillong dan i praktis ars laisni arsi hang tu iwan kai yang sene tim idru ilalong ilong kimi yang rei hakat agak kai pada ngasutenat ba iko mu wadlai ilalong ikimi ru rei ngahap king kanai namar ba ngahap ban hikai ban mare aku no teng ini ila dom ru rei ngalapan map nai ba mi ilalong ikimi yang rei han gini hikai ngalong kuno hikai la kam hea manga rei ka kota kimi ilalong mai teng kata kajing keren je mai iru teng la ngila ya dom ngarla dom ini ila dom ni rei kata ngimiasio ya kata kalau kajingnya day kum si kun si kimi te ngakerpat yang ibaro kum kani ka Southwest kasih sport association bangin yalong kumta ladang yala kum keren baklala nang yala kum bakla kano karo ndai ban yabat ini ya trelang ini ya ai jingmut iwe bangin sasei kan seiso pan ngakerpat ru ba baro akan ka Meghalaya kim kebansawan do ngi association naka liang jung ya Southwest ini nadu mentangin kendit bendru lakum no banjit peliar bangin mi kabandong sewa ingin peni baga saudara sungi om bangiri persen ya gari hendra ingin peni nang tungan yo medal bat kan lo gaji kerku ya ka distrik ke jongi bat khamtam ikon Samla
ban pinchlur bat aimin semi ki Samla ki balapaz bha ha ki jingpule nadu SSLC hadu kerdan PhD ha ki subject bapher ki bawan ha ki kerdan meritless bat gold medalist na kebentau snem arjar arpulai do arjar arpusau bat ki Samla ki balawan rakna mi ke Jylla ling ba ke sports ke khasi students union KSU maulai circle Khuborjylla man la ke snem kala pelong ya kamat Chaprang Excellence Award arjar arpulai arjar arpusau ha ka khat kendai terik Risaw Shillong Polytechnic Auditorium ka KSU kala sami ki award chagi prapunyongut ki Samla puli ki balawan rakna mi ke Jylla bat ke Shillong maulai ha kini ke sngiu Samla Donald Thaba General Secretary Sengkme ulalong kumukongsan bat Professor Marco Mitri na NEHU kumusembut kongsan haba ajing kren Samla Donald ulamat pang ba ke Jylla ke dunla palat kiriu start kiriu shampang ban wan syakmat ha ke bor sensyar bat administration ha ki kerdan ki bahajrong na kata kadau lawan pendap de ki briu na bar ke Jylla ki bam tip AA syapang ke sensyar ke khadar kiriti ki dostur bat ke rukom im ke jat ban briu wat ha ke ktin ke thlet ru kim pe phang bat sngo thu ban ye kren kani kalawan ra shibun kijing ikipat ba hanong kendong ulaong na kaliang sembut kongsan Professor Marco Mitri ulaong big Samla ki bapas bha khamtam ki balayo ke PhD ula kentu banlong ki klur batingshan ha ke Jylla barok kawe ula ajing mut iki ban sandur ya ki policy terekam ki ban kentiu ya ke perkhat perdan ke sensyar khadar kenang bagi pat ba ke Jylla kinum shania tang haki politician ki bomkot ke bor perkhat bat bor sngoutho ula kedau kat kum ke statistics kari India haki snem banwan nadu arhajar arpulai hadu arhajar lai pulai ki Jylla bat kari barok kawe kin mat bahai ki jing ha ka kerdu kam kerdu jam ha ka bagi Samla ki million kin mat ikni ki jing kumbalong minta buon ki tenru sya ka Meghalaya banwat ik kam ka jam namar ka jing kerdu ha kari barok kawe ula maham da ka boong kumbakalong menta ke Jylla jungi ladai ke bam du kamtam hagijing ai kerpang jong kamariang naduk kiding kideuyong bat ke basa ke desa tang ke tourism ula kentui ke Samla ke bayo award ban pai kamat syakani ke benta
hot ni berkat kisnan ke badat bat ya hai bementa ngila wan syakamat ki bubun balang Henry indi ban keman tang di ini nama begini nujo beki jet pendrio ni baka jikio kejuki kalau arsya banyak ke bangi long mentah dengan pet hakal yang kapuli ke peti dengan pet ke Jylla jom ni dan ka bakhadu dengan pet hakal tungkam tungjam dengan yokam jam ni dan ka bakhadu dengan pet hakata poverty index ne ka standard of living ka bangi ong ba ki breu bakin yo ya kata ka jingim kebabiang kebadam hakata iwan kebakhadu tebeli kajing kalong beli iwan bakhadu kalong ba kajing pet kujui kibun kita hari kawai kalong ba ni kajak bendriu teng long kibabishni kibapihun iwi abang i badan kibakiu kajaka abang nyarap iwi nyatan patrun iwi ngasung bakum kapateng pemerintah Samla kibala nang sa ngidon kam kawai ban pikir ban pet ba ni kung kapateng menta ini kentiu iwi kum kidukhat jo kaseng ngila ni kum kidukhat jo kaseng ngila sim yakan kawai ka benta bangin landi nang pataka dawa jo kacit bendriu kum kaseng kum kidukhat jo kaseng ngibu shwa yakan jingdon kam jungki pardo pasna shwa ka jingdon kam bujungi ho ombro ngila menong kidukhat jo kaseng hendrei ni don pat kebenta ki bangin Samla kibalon ni kumbala keren di presiden kidi bayo pun majlis sudah ni kibala wan sakmat
Jylla sedang kita jubukut kali kasih ngalai lot borok isbin wisno ngalai rasa lot borok mengalai i bahkan tua kejenguk ada kaki nong wengi nong ni don dia kejenguk closed minded bat kani kamdai kalau babah ladangi im nang para mangi hendak kamlong ke babah ladangi habang open Jylla di seperti nama hakikat tu kan sistem ngayadon ki perlo para profesor nampo Europe ibala ya ia collaborate di project pun ki kendit yang tak aspa dang layanan lagi keleng dari kasih jantia ki i yang aspa ba ai bukan ini ngila malam ki billionaires malas nam pos Scandinavia nanti dan North Europe ki bakwa bani i gini hendak ni pure ngai i ginaga mizo kim don ye hendak ki persiapan present kinang pa present yer di separ pisutu ba man kan di sya wa tanggadam ka bet bijuni ka shol ge jong naga ka shol jong mizo ka no ka phu ka phalang pala ge juki ka phalang le ka jang ge juki ka ko bedum ni phong ka rendia abang shaino ki putho ki muka ji ke thai putho le tang hapo kapor ni le ni hagi shot nong kran ni shot breaking ni display itu baro hendak ni persiapan pure ini baro pergi kuat itang para pui kata kan ke jingong kaba harin mangala na yang i je ni bro man pertai ni lo unik kata kali ni lam pendon kami kani naga hagalian kabangin kita Peit kita harbat ya dai ke jingong kumno pergi la survive hakapor pakampat don kanu ke jingit ko bai me je brio kasuk ini bin survive ni don ka creativity ni don ka ingenuity ni long kibri kibla on survive haini area to kadi khasi jantia lesi ngam nuban kam nado iti ki area jo don ka chali stampo kupli kadi ki area ka jungi kamila imni hajasna ni im resources kadang biar ene kinsan ka partai ka kala kadi ki shock cultural shock pakane sedang hari usaha usang upno ya kadi khasi ka partai
Ka Meghalaya Rollerball Association but ka East Khasi Hills Rollerball Association ka pelong ya ka first senior inter-district rollerball championship ha St. Anthony's High Secondary School ha ka khat khandai tarik Risaw. Ha kani ka Lumpung ka Meghalaya Speed Skating Association ru ka pelong ya ka third Meghalaya Speed Skating Championship ha ka balawan ban shiminta deki khna kan thai bat chinrang ha ka under 6, under 8, under 10, under 12, under 14 but above 14. Uba Fantin Lakadong MDC ka Laim Kra constituency ulalong Ukongsan but uba Bajop Ping Rope MDC ka Rambarai Jerngam kumusembut Kongsan. Kiway pat kirang ba kibaledon ha kani kisngi kilong Shabir Sayyid Dikhar additional SP ka East Khasi Hills uba O Mautho District Sports Officer East Khasi Hills uba Fenley Pariat General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Karshieng Working President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association Robert Kabas Australian Olympian Usuman Deka Ujaideep Mahenta ki referee na Assam ringkat bat kikmi kikpa jong kikna Usumbut Kongsan habakren kani kisngi ulay ro bat aimin sim yiki khna ki bala shimenta kani gelumpung bat ki kemi ki kpa ki bala penslur ya ki khon ban mi hamadan ye lekai ban pen i ya la ki sap ki phong uba suklang dakhar President ke Meghalaya Rollerball Association ha ke jingkren ulai thu baya ke Meghalaya Rollerball Association la register house name arjar khat kendai. Bat ke Rollerball Federation of India ke belami perthai house name arjar lai. Ulai thu ru ba unsa yo ban pen ipat ba ya kini ke jingile akai ha ke Meghalaya Games ke ban long house name arjar arpusan. Kinong job ha kini ke jingi kun kilong Beningkong ke West Giant Hills ke Baar ke West Khasi Hills bat ke Balai ke East Khasi Hills. Nakini kinong job in sajit banya kun ha ke National Rollerball Championship ke ban Salong Shen. Udaman me George Shermang na West Giant Hills ulayo ikanam bel.
Appreciate and congratulate especially Mr. Samla, who's the president of this association, for bringing this kind of sports and his entire team. This is a very new sport for our state, Meghalaya, and I can see that the young girls and boys of our state have a lot of talent, and maybe, yes, from our beautiful state of Meghalaya, we can get national champions and even international champions in the days and years to come. We hope that as us from the political group of the state, and also we have our sports officer here, we hope that the government also extends its hands to help this association in order that the youths of our state can improve further in this particular sport. I'm so happy to see that many youths have joined this association and are continuing to do so. Many new beginners also are there. Looking at this generation, it's very sad to see that sometimes most of the young boys and girls, they are mostly involved only in mobile or indoor games, which is very bad. But having these kinds of opportunities, having this kind of platform, it gives a lot of encouragement for all the young boys and girls to encourage themselves, to build themselves mentally, physically, and also to nurture themselves in the right direction, to be a better person in the house, in the society, and for the country as a whole. So once again, I won't take much time. I would like to congratulate the association once again, and I hope that we will have more events in the years to come. And yes, as one of the spokesperson of the party, the National People's Party also, I would like to extend my support always in the near future to the association. And yes, we work hand in hand so that we can improve the sport more in this state of ours, Meghalaya. Thanks again to everybody, the parents who have come here, who have given the encouragement to the children. I hope that your encouragement will make them better people for the society in the years to come. Thank you all. Thank you. Wish you all.
Ka-Office District Sports Riboy, bar ka-Office Deputy Commissioner haga khat kendai terik Risaw, kalapelong ya kejingya mare thong san kilometer balatip kum ka Fit India Swachhta Freedom Run na kabentai Samla Shinrang kenthai bat kiriurang ba balaherta na Riboy District. Kani kelas dang na Rishat Sengi Orchid Resort Umyam bat penkut Meghalaya State Fisheries Research and Training Institute maupun Kshat. Ya kani ke Fit India Swachhta Freedom Run la kawe lama dauba daman bat lamare MLA ke Umroi constituency. Ha ka jingedon lang u District Sports Officer ba Bobby Nongbed lembat kinong tray ke Sports Office. Usamlas kemlang suba ulawan ha ke kerdan ke Beningkong, usamla Monas Bongrung Baar bat usamla Jemon Makri Balai. Nakikenthai ke samla Filinza Hansapi kelawan ha ke kerdan Beningkong, kesamla Julina Bongrung Baar bat kesamla Rinalis Ingti Balai. Kakong Edwina Nongrum kelara ikanam ladu na kibalahe lasan karta. Kini kinong job kilara syaying da kebuskit pisah.
Kinong simbenta hagani ka jing mara hagani ka marathon hagani ka step. Dengaro hagani ka por. Ngai man se me bi. Batun jodere bar pendu. Ya kani ka Shillong jing state jong pi. Shillong jing state jing smart. Manwan panisim menta kum kini ka activity. Khamtam hakim mare kani ro kana long kum kowe hi activity kum ko sport samar pan mare kana long no kum pen kelan met. Dan ai mer se me pi banang ya chakmat. Banga iro mai tenan. Ai kube khamtam ai kilong kube gudor katu kat ni kilong kube ke besim menta. Kilong khubar kita ni ke besim menta ke tenan. Ya ki kilong khubar kana dei tangka pan mere pan kelan met. Saya piro ki Samla. Tentang senrang kadai pan kelan met. Tangan oh ya pi pat ke por. Kabanang bun sakmat. Inangla pan imjak po. Dari bakat senai ke future jok pi sakmat. Ya pi kena Samla tanang le ba nang le sitom. Bat nga wisiro ya pi. Batoy le ba ya mere ba. Uble tra kendra ro non kalang pat pi. Tumnam siara ke jing man sao. Ka jing tengko le ka jing man sao man snam. Non kalang pat pi phini re ba. Bat na ya le ba. Kini kena Samla khamta makwa pat kentu pi. Kano ka pa pile tole no dok man sem namba kan ra ka brom kanam ka jong pi ka ka sem ka jong pi. Papat hero ya kalau ka jong pi baro. Dengan le jonga am kren sibon kenten tangkini the suggestion now we should prepare iwe pe all the best ya mare ba ya le ba ya tangkini kenten tangin se kendo pat sibet last time ki price kublai sibon kublai si jargo.
Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma haka khat pra terik Risaw ula pliu jingmut bat kinong rep habaro kuwe ke Jylla lingba ki durki. Haka ni gajing pliu bat jingi merjingmut Menteri Rangba ula ngap kriau ye kinong rep ki bala kentu yu ban kentiu ye ke rep karyang ke yau ka hat kenang beki mar rep kin wanra jingmentoy ye ki pat nong rep habaro kuwe ke Jylla. Menteri Rangba ula batay ye ki bubun ki jingkersyan baga sorkar Jylla kala ay ye kinong rep lingba ki scheme Focus Plus bat CM Elevate. Ulay thuo baga sorkar kala ay si kinong rep 6,000 kendai spa kat nyaw tali ki kali ban penyat na kebenta kinong rep hakaleng ki district bat ki block development ke Jylla. Hakani kesngi ula pelat pat baru iki kali kit turis.
Your suggestions are excellent. I must really congratulate you for the suggestions. Apart from basic awareness and the marketing, I think the entire idea of dedicating a certain period, a day or a week or something, or during the festival time, some space can be given. We can figure it out. So I will ask Tourism Department. We'll discuss more with you and your team to figure this out. But I think it's an excellent suggestion. Even one suggestion that come sometime back, which I could not share with the team, was regarding a documentary to be made on this in the entire Meghalayan age. Like why? A lot of people have heard the word Meghalayan age, but how did it happen and what is the science behind it? Many people don't know. So a small documentary on that would be something that also could be very, very interesting. But thank you so much. I think it's exactly for reasons like these that we want to interact with you, because we want these ideas and these suggestions. I have clarified this in the past also, and I'm clarifying it again, that this particular amount is not a loan. This 5,000 rupees that we are giving through Focus, other programs have other other systems. But the focus scheme is not a loan scheme. Focus is a grant and a subsidy which we give to our producer groups, and you do not have to repay it back. I want to make it very clear. So please don't have any doubts. There are people who will try to make things complicated and confuse our farmers. For whatever reason, we don't understand. When good is being done, they should support. But in turn, they're trying to confuse our people. So therefore, please don't believe that. This is not a loan, and this is a grant and a subsidy, and you will not have to repay back the focus amount. Garo Hilsuni, tentang blok pramoni, dalon singko ya programo join kakapa pelakang ni kasar pengram, dasyo sini peninsula blok ni berpeng saksa, ingat sen, ya fokus ni tangkara loan ma, maina baka mandirangan, haida makang si kode ya skim put skara Jawa, aro bakura Jawa, ani sabarang de chansinga, maina baka mandirangan loan ini chansinga. Undi kemana kaya chul kur ay di kita talat na skinga, aro na isma sakanti na kawiat na skinga. At sini focus program ni scheme de loan ongja.
Ka Southwest Khasi Hills District Volleyball Association, ringkat ka Office District Sports Southwest Khasi Hills District, haka kat kendai terik Risaw, kalapinwa ya kelumpung ya kop Open Volleyball Tournament arjar arpasau men and women balapelong hamadan MDSA nonglang. Haka ni kesngi penkut ya kini kelumpung, uba renekten El Tongkar MLA Kemau Kerwat Constituency, ulalong ukongsan, ringkat uba Peter Pesak, Working President ke Meghalaya State Volleyball Association ke Musembut Kongsan. Habapai shikajingile akai, ke kenhun ki Samla kenthai, na mau Park Row SC, ke lara ekanam ladu, da ke bapelim ya ke kenhun nonglang SC, da lai lano. Katba hakaliang kishenrang, ke kenhun na Karkuta North Garo Hills District, ke lependam ton, ya ke kenhun na nongkenba SC Southwest Khasi Hills. Kejingile ka jung kini arkan hun kalalong ka beitena haduk kata-kata ha ka ba ki ba ki ba Peit kai ki Risaw da kejing kemen ka bakra. Baro arliang ki lepen hun jurut ikinong Peit kai ha kini kesni. Ha ka bakut ka kenhun na Karkuta ka lependam ton ya ka kenhun nongken ba bat kelara ikanam job kum kaladu ha kini kelempung. Ya kini ke tournament lapelong bandrak kemen ya kejing dap post nem kenti balaseng ya ke District Volleyball Association hakani ke District House nem arjar khatsa.
Station idon ru hangne batngi iba petar pasa MCS is kusorong bani I baki officer rangba jong ka state jongi ya involved Jylla de baki association kamta maka sport idon ru hangne batngi parlo jonga bangi itu ithau bai ba gilbert belong ru joint secretary jong ka association hapo e ka state level ya phi baro ki Samla jo ka dong ka thain kamta ya phi ki art legitim ke banyale kai nga ai ke jing ai khublei kitbok kerwiang ya kene kejing yang neka celebration kejing dap ship house nem jo ka volleyball association of district jongi bani so tanat bani I bahaki ni ship house lagi snem pilaya chaprang pilaya chakma bat kan bani okhet yo so jo kejing job harus nem baladem ubalalong kejing serong yangi bani I bagi Samla jongi nang ne kidai ki bat bet hado kata taw bani kai volleyball hak ba kilara ro kejing job hamta mi kenthei tesisin part ngai ka congratulations kejonga ya phi Samla kenthei ki badon sap hakinya lakai volleyball bat kumjuru ya phi ki Samla shenrang ngai khublei ya baro art legitim. I wish you all the best friends from Garo Hills and be free. You have no problem to play here according to your ability to play. Ngai khublei ya phi ki Samla nabaro arliang bat ngikit bokrewe phi phinla bin lakai bha Saya simpat ngakir bokirweng yak association hang ne. Bakumba pila trade bahag ni shipau tu lagi senam. Ni kemir nanti pina lak trade bahag ni syakmat. Banyu iba kadong katanjung ni kanang kio hagaling sports. Ngin persang nagaling jongi nagaling sarkar ban ai ka support kat ikabadon kam ya kabangila ban le na ka banta ka association badan ta kiwei ru ki association ya ka bakidon kam hado kata ya ka jingkerchan jong sarkar. Saya simpat Khubolai Shibon Khubolai Shargo akirbok ya ka jela kai bahayo phi bat ngakit box sin pat ya ka association hang ne ka district volleyball association ya ka jingla jo ka banang ya syakmat. Khubolai Shibon Khubolai Shargo.
Badak kini Khubor ngilapoi syakabakot tar haduk pengindai syampiang Khubolai Shibon.